My name is Jennifer Davey. I'm the Experiential Marketing and Events Manager for Yamaha Motorsports. We're at Monster Mountain in Alabama this weekend for our last BLU CRU Invitational of the year, first qualifier for next year.
It's pretty cool what Yamaha's doing, and I'm very fortunate to be a part of it.
Hanging out with people, talking about the day of training and that. So those are some of the things that I really value when we come and do these events.
Now I literally can't get enough of it.
Things that we had started offering with attached to our BLU CRU Invitationals is a learn to ride. So for brand new folks, just teaching them throttle control and traversing some cones. We also have demo rides here. So kind of, each level, if you want a little bit of coaching, you need a little bit of help for confidence as you're coming into the sport, we can help with that.